Welcome back to another learning session. In this lesson, we are focusing on the power of video descriptions. This is one of the easiest areas to improve your SEO and boost your visibility. Surprisingly, many creators write only 1 or 2 lines. That is a missed opportunity. Your description helps both the viewer and the YouTube algorithm understand your content. Let's explore how to make your descriptions clear, searchable, and valuable. Why descriptions matter? YouTube reads your description to decide where your video should appear. It analyzes your keywords and matches your content to viewer searches. Good descriptions help the algorithm send the right audience to your video. Descriptions also guide viewers. They help people quickly understand what they will learn or gain by watching. A strong description can be the reason someone presses play. So this short section has a big impact on your long-term growth. Step 1. The structure of a high-impact description. A successful description follows this simple structure. Line 1. A clear sentence with your main keyword. Line 2-3. A short summary that explains value and adds supporting keywords. Middle section. Context, topics covered, timestamps, or links to helpful resources. Bottom section. Calls to action, social media links, legal disclaimers, hashtags. The first 3 lines are especially important. They appear before the Show More button. Viewers make their decision in those first few lines. This is your chance to convince them to continue watching. Step 2. Good versus poor description example. Poor description example. This is a fun video. Like and subscribe. This provides no keywords. The algorithm cannot understand the topic. Viewers also learn nothing from this text. Better description example. How to grow your YouTube channel fast with simple SEO strategies. In this video, you will learn keyword research tips and optimization techniques that help your videos rank. We explore tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ to boost discoverability. This shows topic clarity, provides value, and includes important keywords. What this teaches us: clear plus relevant plus keyword rich yield better performance. Step 3. Best practices for keyword placement. Place your main keyword in the first sentence, in the first 3 lines, naturally throughout the description. In your spoken content for improved caption indexing. Use secondary keywords that support your topic. If your main keyword is YouTube SEO tips, your secondary keywords might include YouTube ranking, keyword research, grow your channel. Avoid repeating the same keyword unnaturally. The description must still feel human and helpful. Always match your keywords to your actual video content. Misleading descriptions reduce ranking instead of improving it. Step 4. Formatting for viewer engagement. Formatting keeps viewers reading and improves viewer decisions. Use short lines, bullet lists, or spacing. Break information into helpful sections so it is easy to skim. Here are smart elements and links. End with 3 to 5 relevant hashtags that match your video content. Hashtags help categorize your topic more accurately. Step 5. Adding CTAs strategically. Your description should also guide viewers on what to do next. CTAs increase engagement, and engagement strengthens your SEO signals. Step 6. Review and refresh. Descriptions do not have to be final on day 1. If a video slows down after publishing, update your description. Add stronger keywords. Include new timestamps or links. Refreshing descriptions can revive performance and increase long-term traffic. Follow these description techniques and watch your channel grow. In the next lesson, we will focus on thumbnails. Thank you for watching.